Welcome back to another Microsoft Excel challenge. This week, it's time to go back to school with our expert, Claudia Buckley. Let's see if you can sort out this week's challenge.
In this challenge, we're going to need to do something we do every day in Excel: sort values. But today we're sorting with a twist. Can you help a school board intern to list the schools alphabetically by town instead of by school name? But that's not all. Within each town, there may be elementary, middle, and high schools, as well as colleges and universities. We want the school types to be listed in that order for each town. So for each town, we want to list the elementary schools, followed by middle schools, high schools, then colleges and universities. If a school has more than one of a particular school type, then show the school with the higher population first. Right next to this data set is a group of cells where we want to determine the occupancy percentage. That is, the population as a percentage of capacity for the 5 school types. Can you calculate the occupancy levels showing the lowest in the leftmost column, all the way to the right for the one with the highest occupancy levels? It's just sorting and a little bit of calculation, right? Well, let's get to it. Download the file and let us know how you solved it. Have fun.
Think you have what it takes to tackle this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the dataset. Feel free to share your progress or ideas in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel to chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And want to know Claudia's solution? Well, subscribe to this channel. We'll be releasing the solution video next week, and you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how she solves this challenge. So let the fun begin. Good luck.